Yes, that is the new guy who is ready to be interviewed. Today the topic is about arranged marriage. So my friend,
Yes.
between arranged marriage and love marriage, which one is best according to you?
In my view, love marriage is best. I
Love
like
marriage?
Yeah.
Yes, support your point.
Suppose my point. Suppose if it will be easy for this love marriage.
Uh-huh.
We will know each other before marrying.
Yes.
And it will be love.
Ah.
Before this, in arranged marriage, girl and boy didn't know each other.
They don't have that time to know each other,
Yeah,
courtship. Yep.
Yeah, before they even haven't seen each other.
But sometimes you
Parents, their boy and girl's parent, they before meet their parents, and
Yes.
after that they will discuss about and this girls and boys and make a negotiation something of
like this boy is good, that boy is this
Yeah.
lady is good. There is no any bad CV.
yeah
Ah, okay. So
about boy habits and economic status, family,
Yes.
and what he is doing.
but some of the families they prefer arranged marriage because they don't want some boys to marry outside or where they don't want. Like
Yeah.
this family is rich, and maybe if they have to follow the love marriage, the lady will be married outside where his maybe family is poor. They don't want like this.
It's like this. It's the family security.
Ah,
you
yeah,
know the
family
security?
yes.
It means that after marrying a girl or boy, they will after marrying they didn't be suppose I have to, I don't know how to
explain it in
explain.
Uh-huh.
After marriage they will be in pain or something. What if a boy or girl is bad,
Yeah.
getting their life will be after
Very
marrying
hard, yeah.
very hard.
Yeah, I
So
understand.
that they will search a good having job, having money, or good family status. So that's why their family tries to give or marry a nice guy or girl.
Ah, okay. If I have okay. I have another question which is very important. Will you mind to wait for 6 years, good years, only courtship with the lady only, not married, only there, girl and lady like this?
No. It is impossible, my friend. Without marriage, not possible, my friend.
For me, if I have to tell you that I stayed for 7 years with courtship only.
Only.
Only without telling the girl I love her. Without telling the girl I will marry. I stayed like 7 years.
No. It depends upon the country, culture, and society. Different country, different society, different feelings, and this about.
Yeah, but I asked one lady about the arranged marriage. She said, if you are arranged married, you will go with the parents, boy's parent this side, lady's parent this side.
Yeah,
okay? Then they will give you room to discuss. You love each other,
It's like that. Before they didn't know each other.
yeah, before they don't know each
After
other.
going in the room, they can understand each other, their feelings,
Mhm.
and what if she has boyfriend or if
Girlfriend somewhere.
boy has a girlfriend, they can share about that. They tell like this: if you have boyfriend or something, tell me. I can understand about that. If you don't like me, I'm not ready. I will not marry you or something like this.
Okay. One day you think one day can conclude the whole time life like, okay, now I just meet my girlfriend because the arranged marriage. We are talking about arranged marriage.
Yeah.
I meet the lady there. We sit down like 2 to 3 hours. sitting, asking her, will you marry me? Will you marry me? Without testing. Is it allowed like this? Or this one will prove this lady will be my wife? Or how do you see? I think love marriage is the
No,
best.
no, testing after marriage only. But
How
but-
can you accept
but-
somebody and
if
not
you
married?
are already in love with her, you can test.
I need to test now before I say
Yeah.
yes.
Yeah, in
Before-
arranged marriage, maybe it is few like this. Not allowed to test.
Let's take a walk a little bit as we
Okay.
discuss about this one.
Okay.
Now, my problem is how this arranged marriage, if you say, they say, okay, now I need to marry this lady.
First of
And
all,
then all of a sudden you'll go there, you find what you was expecting is not that one. You can just, you will blame father or you will blame who?
no, truly it goes truly. So first, you have to see the face. First, it starts from liking.
Yeah,
if she
you
like
like-
or not like.
Liking and then testing.
Not.
I cannot buy car without trying.
It depends on mentality.
Because me, if I have to buy something,
Yeah.
like toy, I will take their customer service. Please try this one. Working or no? If it's not working,
It's not
we
like
return.
you know this humanity and this marriage is not like a product or something like this. So we cannot taste about this.
You see, for me, it's very difficult to have arranged marriage because sometimes you
It's
find
depend upon your
like
thought.
India,
Not bread
Yeah.
like that you taste, good taste have,
Huh?
not like that. This one life partner.
like India. Let me hang on this bicycle. I don't know if for who,
Like that.
but we can hang here. Yeah. Come close. so
You
that
tell
we
like
can-
that, someone kill you.
For example, now you buy a bicycle. You need to try before you take this one at home. Otherwise, you reach home is damaged.
Yeah. I told already, this is bicycle is a product or something, but we are human.
So the difference between product and human.
So we cannot think about like this.
But
you can
for me-
think, but it's depend upon your thought.
Now I get it.
It differs from society, country, and caste or something like this.
Now because of time, we will continue tomorrow.
Okay.
But
okay. Thank you very
the
much.
best thing is love marriage is the best. Because love
Yeah.
marriage will never blame your
Yeah, yeah,
father,
yeah.
you'll never blame your mother. This is your own thing. You
Yeah,
go,
yeah.
you collect, you bring home.
Yeah, it is the risk that you have already.
Responsibility.
Yeah,
is
you
here.
have took responsibility already.
Okay.
You can turn love marriage into arranged marriage also. No problem.
How come?
You do love marriage, love each other, and
Okay,
after you
Virat.
can tell your parents we are in love with her or him, and if they are ready, it will be arranged.
Okay. Due to the time, we have to stop our interview there. We'll continue next round. Sir?
Okay, okay. Thank
Okay.
you very much.